Alright, I think we're here. Quick sound check, and I'll talk after. Quick sound check, and I'll talk after. Okay, there we go. We're back. I don't know what is up with this today. It is what it is, right? So as I was trying to say before we got rudely interrupted by Spectrum, I was trying to ask Robert, Hobbyman CXC, if he is safe and sound in Leander. But I'm going to do a quick internet check on this computer. Thank you. Okay. 91 degrees, hot and steamy, but there actually is rain expected. Well, rain is... Listen, the weather here in New York is just... It gets warm one day, and then the weekend, it's like... I posted this on Instagram earlier. It's like our line... See, here we go again. I'm Googling something, and it comes back. Oh, good, you are. Okay, you are back in Leander. Because I'm seeing right now, you guys are going to stay in the 90s on a regular basis. But then I'm seeing you guys might get into some decent weather coming. Well, yeah, stormy weather coming up. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, a lot of stormy weather for where Robert is in the Austin, Texas area. I looked at the day 5 SBC. I'm going to do another internet check because, again, I am just beyond disgusted with Spectrum. I am just like, we're paying you a decent amount of money to give us internet service. Can you please just be consistent? This is where it concerns me, guys. I'm going to pull it up. Hang on for a second. Hello? Well, what's going on right now? I'm confused. 6 o'clock. Well, mine's not ready yet, right? Wait, now? Can I come down in like 25 minutes? Well, I am so sorry about that, guys. It happens. Yes. On your last day before you went home, you got 97.5 out of Nebraska in the condo bedroom. This is when you were still in Destin. Wow. Yeah, because I heard there was a lot of e-skip lately. But anyhow, before we can get on to that subject, I want to talk about the Day 5 SPC outlook, guys, because I'm kind of concerned about it for next week. So let's see if we can do this before Spectrum decides to bug out again. Okay, guys, this is the Day 5 SPC outlook. So the Day 5 SPC outlook goes for this upcoming Wednesday, June 18th. Now, what concerns me about the Day 5 outlook, we have a lot of ground to focus on here for a potential tornadic outbreak of severe weather coming up. So the following locations will see severe weather capable of producing also severe thunderstorms in the following day for Wednesday, June 18th. Now, mind you, I don't know if Juneteenth plays a factor into it. I guess some people are like, you know what, it's a federal holiday, but I'm like, first of all, I'm getting off. I'm already off on Thursdays from work anyway. But anyhow, St. Louis, Milwaukee, Chicago, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Okay, this is dumb. Why isn't South Bend mentioned? I'm like, South Bend, Indiana is on the northern side of the state where Notre Dame University is. Grand Rapids, Michigan, but then this is where things get interesting. Do we see this extended going to Detroit? So that's why I'm going to keep an eye on this. Because I am very curious how this could potentially be a chaotic weather day for folks in these major metropolitan cities coming up. So let me get to the comments. I want to keep going back and forth. Because if you guys want to talk about the e-skip event from, I think it was this, I couldn't catch anything. I was busy this week. Yeah, regarding NXT, I heard about Blake Monroe. So is everybody trying to become Sabrina Carpenter in WWE nowadays? I'm like, Tiffany Stratton's Sabrina Carpenter. I don't know. Guys, I'm trying not to think. Look, y'all think I want to talk about Sabrina Carpenter. Yeah, she has a new album. Yeah, she has this and that going on. But guys, there's other stuff in the world going on besides Sabrina Carpenter. I mean, we have a severe weather outbreak in the Midwest expected on Wednesday, which we had to talk about. I wanted to talk to you guys. I wanted to ask if any of you guys got any e-skip. That's what Whenever Saturday is supposed to be about. Because I saw a lot of videos this week. TV, radio. I want to mention, Mike, I saw your channel this week. You got e-skip this week. Hobby Man just mentioned he got e-skip. Like, why can't I get e-skip? Well, then again, the last time I got e-skip was actually at LIJ Hospital. WQHQ was coming in my office. I was actually picking up 104.7 on my old Sony. Oh, man, do I miss those days. You got e-skip. And let me tell you, I would have loved to get e-skip. The old analog TV days. Ah, that would have been something. Right, it is considered tropo. It is. I don't know how that happened that time at LIJ. I was picking up Q105 from Delmarva. It just happened. This is way before the pandemic. Oh, by the way, I want to make a rant about something. I want to talk about my ER10 VP, and I'm going to charge the batteries on this thing again before dinner. You know what? Maybe I'll do it now. But can someone explain to me why, with the rechargeable batteries, I'm only getting one battery bar on this? I keep recharging it, and I'm like, why? So this is what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to turn my camera off to get everything set up here. So let me just do this. Let me just do this here. I'll keep talking. Because I'm like, why does this keep happening? I keep charging it and charging it and charging it. And I'm like, you should have a full battery. You shouldn't be doing this. I get so disgusted and angry that my ER10 VP keeps doing this. I'm like, no, we're not doing this. Maybe because like I'm an ingrate and I want a full battery on it, but I don't know. It's 6 o'clock right now. If I charge it, then it should be fine, right? Should be fine. Put my camera back on, so that's better. Ooh. Another thing I want to rant about is this. I now have to start using my PS4 cable now when I charge this. And the same thing for my Amazon Fire tablet. The other one that I got, I don't know, like, why does it? Thank goodness, right? Do I try to play on my PS4 as often? Maybe Monday I'll play the last of the Sabrina Carpenter dance thing on Fortnite. That's what I'll probably do when I get home from work on Monday. Something to look forward to before Fortnite shuts it down. The whole Dance with Sabrina Carpenter thing that I did for Andy Plays that time. I do have Andy Plays going up tomorrow. We'll do something fun for it. But yes, that's what's going on. 104.7 just wanted to say hello to you. Florida, Cuba, Bahamas, southern states are considered e-skip in New Jersey. Right, like I figured. Chickpea's here. Yay. Um, I know tonight Southern Pennsylvania WX is not going to be around. He has obligations to deal with. Next week, I'm not going to be around. I am possibly going to an outdoor concert in Long Island next Saturday. Let's hope the weather looks good. And so far, I think the weather is looking good. I'm just going on ABC7 New York's website. Oh, thank goodness. So I'm trying to go out to Nassau County.
The barbecue tools are going to be soggy.
Okay, Michelle Charlesworth, please be quiet. I like you, but we don't want to hear your voice right now. I'm talking. Okay, I'm trying to go out to Nassau 3 times this week. I think Tuesday I should be able to. Thursday I'm trying to maybe get a haircut. Again, I don't want to talk about my personal life as much because I could jinx something very important. Let's just say, something could be happening. That's yours truly something special. Yes. I won't say anything. I'll jinx it. But I need to get better first impression for somebody who I might be seeing, and we'll leave it from there. And then that just leaves next Saturday. So why is it that it's going to hit 90 on Thursday again, possibly? Right. Hang on here. There's a thunderstorm chance on Thursday. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. We might be in a marginal risk for severe weather on Thursday. It might be that storm system that might be coming from the Midwest. Ooh, that would be interesting. Might have to set my iPad up for the alerts while I'm not home, but problem is, how am I going to be able to keep an eye on everything? Unless there is WJONIP. Could use that. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Well, yeah, I'll leave the haircut discussion away from YouTube for now. Hi, Chickpea. Hi, Breakcool. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to be on. I don't know what time my dinner's going to be. I tried telling my mom, why are we having dinner earlier? I just came on here. I don't want to eat till at least another 30 minutes. Oh, hang on here. The NASCAR race only has 20 laps left in this Mexico City race I'm watching? So you got some Tropo earlier today. Wow. Tropo or E-Skip? Let me see. I have an idea. Watch and learn. If only Spectrum cannot be a pain today. Oh, man. Unrelated note. I'm just going to save this video for later on. But Sydney Sweeney's doing a lot of things to embrace her single life. I'm not going to say anything else. I just got to save it for later because I wanted to look up something on here on YouTube. Here we go. Okay, let's see. I'm just looking up something here on YouTube. Let's see what we got. Ah. Okay. Here we go. Looks like the Tropo has gotten a little bit intense for TV Radio 1972. Because I'm just looking at his channel. He was able to get Philadelphia, Richmond from a Tropo session. Then you got the June 3rd Chronicles. Oh, hang on here. 4 cars just got into a wreck in the Xfinity race. Oh, that's brutal. We just started the final stage in the Mexico City road course. Ah, that's gotta be brutal. I think one of the drivers was Christopher Bell on that wreck. One of the Cup Series guys. That's gotta be brutal. Anyhow. Jamaica. Ah. So Mike got a couple of good stations during the E-Skip on June 3rd. Ryan Hall says there might be storms between Washington and Baltimore and later on maybe just south of Virginia. Ah. Well, I'm keeping an eye on that situation. There's a website I could use to show you all radar right now, but the problem is the CPU on this laptop just cannot handle it. I think because as the websites get advanced, they require more gigs of RAM. I am taking a look at Virginia right now, and I am seeing that there is a heavy line of rain that is moving through Norfolk, Virginia. Is it Norfolk? Yeah, it is Norfolk at the moment. So they do have a flash flood warning over there right now. I am seeing it. Norfolk, Portsmouth. Yeah, I think this goes all the way to Virginia Beach. In fact, I have an idea. Let me try something here. I can get WJONIP and just eliminate the EAS tones, because first of all, on a live stream, I don't know. Could I get in trouble for playing EAS tones? I mean, somebody live streams WJONIP all the time, but I have a way to get their recordings from the archive, guys. I have a way to do it. So I'm just going to work on this and play the flash flood warning from Norfolk, Virginia. There we go. And then what I can do is go to IEM. Yeah, if I go to IEM bot, it'd make it a lot easier. Because if I scroll through Twitter, ugh, you know how long that's going to take? That will take like a whole hot minute. I posted a station from Cuba. It's audio of a TV station. The frequency is 71.75. Yeah, Cuba still has analog TV. Look at that. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. Ah, okay. 5:45 p.m. Can you please go to present messages? Thank you. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's see if we can find it. I'll find it. There's a way I can get that to pull up. Come on. Scroll up. I gotta go to 5:45 p.m. If I can find it. There we go. Give me 1 second, guys. I got an idea to show you how this could work. Just watch. We're actually going to do this live right now. I'm not kidding. I'm actually going to do a live EAS capture from earlier. Let's see if we can get this to work. Oh, hang on, guys. Hello? Now? All right, give me like 5 minutes. Okay. I guess we're going to wrap up the stream in just a second. I just wanted to try an experiment here. Okay, good. Okay, it's working. Give me 1 second.
issued at 5:44 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for the northern city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth in southeastern Virginia, the eastern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, the northern city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia, until 8:45 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Virginia Beach, Regent University, Norfolk State University, Virginia Wesleyan University, Kempsville, downtown Norfolk, downtown Portsmouth, Old Dominion University, Deep Creek, Kirkland, Norfolk, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, Suffolk, Norview, Attuck, Norfolk Nez and Western Branch. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most
Guys, it worked! I can't believe it. An actual live FFW on an Andy's Randomness stream. Well, it was delayed, but you get the idea of how important that is to actually have that ready in case I can't actually get it. It actually worked. I can't believe it. Okay, this just in from a 911 call. We are getting word that water is over the road near Bayside High School near Virginia Beach. Severe thunderstorm warning for Chesapeake City and Portsmouth City in Virginia. City of Suffolk canceled. So the current flash flood warning for the city of Norfolk will go on until 8:45 p.m. tonight. So obviously this is a little bit of ground that I'm familiar with. So yes. So anyhow, guys, I gotta get going. It's time for me to eat my dinner. I thought we were gonna do them long